The year is 1976.
The world came frighteningly close to World War III over a tree. After North Korean soldiers killed 2 US officers trimming a poplar tree in the DMZ, America responded with overwhelming force. Helicopters, hovered tanks, rolled forward, bombers circled overhead. 800 soldiers stood ready for war. Their mission was simply to cut down that same tree. North Korea mobilized too, thinking an invasion was coming. But the US chopped down the tree in 42 minutes, then walked away. Operation Paul Bunyan became the strangest standoff in military history.